Hi guys, we're gonna read 15 animals, and you can see this guy and watching in his window with all his animals. Let's open his window. Oh, we broke in his window. So we're reading 15 Animals by Sandra. I'm gonna sing this. I really like animals. I like them a lot. 15 animals is what I've got. I've got 15 animals. They're friendly and tame. I've given each one a special name. I've got a cat named Bob and a dog named Bob. And 2 fish called Bob and Bob.
Yeah.
And then there's Bob, my hamster, and Bob, my horse. And my piglet, known as Bob, of course.
Oh, I need a yellow ball.
There's my rabbit, Bob, and his bunny wife, Bob. And their kids, Bob, Bob, and Bob. There's Bob the mouse and Bob the bird. And my turtle, I don't know what that says. I have no idea what that says. Like seriously. Someone shout out I have no idea what that means.
What that means? What that means?
Simon, James,
Simon, James,
Alexander, Rexdale,
Rexdale, the turtle,
the third.
the third. Okay, someone said it to me, so that was a little help. Because I don't know fancy writing. I read this book before, I read that book, right? And we read more books here. We read this book, remember? In our last video? I just know. And I think we read this book.